everybody!
Hello.
And welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos. Today we are sitting in one of our sofas, nice and comfortable with all these pillows around us. And it's a show and tell episode. We're going to be talking about our pillows that we have designed for Rowan and the new collection that will be out soon.
And this is what happened when you travel too much.
Yeah. People who travel too much and stay often in hotels, lots and lots of pillows.
Can't get enough of pillows. Pillows everywhere. But before we start talking about the pillows, we have something very important to say.
Yeah, the formalities need to be in place.
Yeah, because if you like the episodes, put your thumb up and remember to subscribe and put on your notification.
Mm-hmm.
Was that the right word?
Yeah, turn on your notifications.
Turn on your notification.
Because if you turn on your notification, what happens?
You get like a message or it says pling and then there's news from us.
That means that you never miss an episode. I think that's what Arne is trying to say.
That's what I'm trying to say, that then you will never miss an episode.
Hey, you got it.
I got
Okay. And did you say all the other stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're not listening.
Oh, yes, I am. I just want to make sure that everything's clear from beginning to end. Okay, so formalities are out of place or out of sight.
He never listens.
Of course I do. But now the formalities are out of the way. Let's start talking about our pillows. So this is the second collection that we designed for Rowan that has pillows in them. And the collection is knitted with SoftYak, which is one of our favorite yarns to do color work with. They do really nice together when you do it. When you work with many colors, they do work beautifully together. So you've got a series of pillows, and they can be knitted back to back, or you could just use a solid color for the back of the pillow, for example. But you could say if you want to have
you can have
reversible pillows.
You can have this as a front, and you can have, for example, this as a back.
Which would look really, really cool.
And I think in the catalog they actually offer two combinations, so you can do it.
Or two pillows together.
Two pillows together, or you can make 4 pillows of 2 with another color on the back. And as last time you have there's like 2 groups. There's one group with graphic patterns and one group with floral patterns. Some of them are a little bit graphic, but it's like floral and graphic. Yes. Should we look at the graphic first?
Yeah, let's do that. I mean, we could start with the one I'm holding here, which is done in a green and gray color work, and then there's a solid red back to them. It means that they're not knitted on the round, and you need to do the knitting back and forth the British way with those good old large needles.
Or you can use circular.
Yeah, or a circular. Yeah.
And this pattern is from our head. We can't say it came from anywhere because this time we didn't look at old patterns. We just saw what happened. And
it's a geometric pattern with rhombs and little dots and things. So I don't know what else to say about it.
There's nothing else to say about it.
No. So let's go on to the next one.
This one has almost like 8-leaf roses. So there is like hearts in the cross, but it's kind of a 8-leaf rose. Or what do you see?
I see little crowns.
Or crowns.
Or something.
Could be anything.
Yeah.
And this has a gray on the back with the light blue.
I like that actually. I really like that the light gray here and then the darker there.
They're two different.
Yeah, very different and complement each other very well. So.
Then I also like the red on this one because it pops.
Yeah.
And it's nice when you put them on top of each other like this. If you want to put them out of your sofa or the bed, just place them like this. It looks good. Then we have the big one with the graphic pattern. Okay,
so here we have another one. We really like this one. It's got a really nice shade of blue, gray, or green, blue or something.
Ocean blue.
Ocean blue. It's a really lovely blue anyway. And then the front has a great geometric pattern, which is a little bit smaller than on the other ones. So on the large ones, the geometric patterns look like this, and on the smaller ones, they are a little bit, and on the bigger ones, they're a little bit smaller.
So bigger pillows with smaller pattern and smaller pattern with
Smaller pillows with bigger
smaller
patterns.
pillows with bigger. This one has almost like a floral pattern, also very graphic, in orange and gray, and then you have this beautiful blue on the back.
Yeah, that's definitely like a blue, like a royal blue or something.
Royal blue. So that's the more graphic part, and then we have the floral part. So the first floral, I can show you this one first. That is actually a floral pattern there, and this is more like a selbu pattern in the middle and on the sides.
A selbu pattern?
Yeah, it's
yeah. It's
little
difficult to
rose.
see because of the coloration, but yeah, I can see it now. Like a Norwegian 8-leaf rose or an 8-pointed star.
Yeah, and this is more like a sunflower in red or something.
Very nice.
With lighter blue than the other
And it's framed, isn't it? It's got like a little, it's got like a pink frame around it.
It has a frame. There's a pink frame around. And you see that's two different blues on the back. They're both very nice. Then
Very
you
nice.
have a more
I have
naturalistic.
I have one of the large ones. This is like a field of flowers. There's 3 larger flowers
small
and 2
field of
smaller flowers with the leaves.
It's like a bouquet.
Yeah, like a beautiful little bouquet. What kind of flowers are these? Are they roses? Are they
Could be
primroses? Are they...
poppies. I don't know what it is because all these flowers came out of our head.
Okay.
So
just flowers.
flowers. And then
This
you
is
have,
one of my favorites
this is
time.
kind of
That's definitely like the
inspiration.
big field of flowers.
Yeah, this is also like petals of with different colors.
And I love that yellow color on the back. I think that is such a cool
I think
color.
I love that color.
Very nice.
This is one of my favorites. And then also this one, which I really like. I like these two.
Yeah, this reminds me like of the 70s, like those embroidery.
Yeah, like what you found on in all the cottages in Norway. Those embroidered things you put on the wall, or you could put it on a chair.
Yeah.
But with embroidery. So it's more that style. Very Norwegian cottage up in the mountain style.
So there you have
With
it.
pink on the back.
Pink on the back. So there you have it. 8 cushions designed by Arne and Carlos for Rowan using SoftYak. And the patterns, of course, are available on our website. So all you need to do is go to arnecarlos.com and look for them there. We are going to be nice and snug with all our pillows. It's going to be a really nice afternoon here. Put our feet up, just relax. And
Yeah, you can never have enough pillows.
You can never have enough pillows.
Or can you?
Yeah, well, that's a good question.
Can you have too many pillows?
Yeah.
You know, if you have like a nice guest room, you make it nice for your guests. Put a lot of pillows on top, like hotel.
But on
Like
the other
hotel thing.
hand, the more pillows you put on the bed, the more pillows you have to take out in the morning or before you go to bed. And then when you wake up in the morning and you make your bed, you're putting those pillows on. And then in the night, you're taking them off. So it is a little bit of a
And
hassle.
you don't have room service or housekeeping.
Yeah, that's
So-
true. So what do you like? More pillows on the bed or less pillows on the bed? Tell us. We'd really love to know. So put that in the comments field below. I think that I might actually take a nice little afternoon nap here now that I am already super comfortable. So we'll see you again next Sunday with a new episode here on our channel.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching
Thank
and
you.
see you again soon. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna dig you out of the pillows.
Yeah, I know.
Good night.
Good night.